there's probably a lot of metrics that go into why we make an investment and where. A lot of the time it goes to and this is just generally speaking, it goes to a comfort level in the investor, into the startup, what they're trying to achieve, what they're doing, their team, the founder, the solution. Like there's a million things that will tie into a reason why you're going to make an investment. For myself, I've been working with startup companies for over 20 years, 20 plus years, and I'm a big fan of entrepreneurship in the space. And I guess sometimes it's gut, sometimes it's numbers and metrics, other times it just becomes the founder. And I was doing a panel 2 nights ago or last night. Days fly by so much I can't even remember what day it was, and it was probably last night. So I was with one of the colleges, Seneca College in Toronto, and it was an offline. It wasn't recorded, but it was just kind of a raw fireplace discussion, and they were asking this similar question. And what I had done is I brought 2 startups that we invest in with us to the panel. So one of them was called 3D Scapes, and it's run by 2 guys, and the other one's called Wavy, and it's run by a female. And we invest in both of the companies. And while I was talking, I said number one thing that really gets me to want to invest in a startup, outside of the normal things you hear, it's the founder. And I said the founder is psychotic. They literally eat, breathe, and sleep the space they're in. They know this space better than anybody. And if I try to counter them, they will counter me with better data. They will show me that they know this space so damn well. I said, that's who I want to invest in. I want to invest in someone that's psychotic. So they were texting on chat and they're like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm psychotic. I didn't know that's what you thought about me. And it's not that I thought they were psychotic. It's the mental view of how and what you do. Because when you're investing in someone, you want them to be so hyper focused that they will learn how the market works. They will learn where they fit. They will learn what they're doing wrong and shift right away. They're not waiting for a mentor to say, hey, maybe you're doing the wrong thing. And you're like, yeah, I know, it's been 3 months. I've lost time and I haven't sold anything. No, that's not who I want to invest in. I want to invest in someone that is, and my line that I like to use is that if I don't do it today, I'm failing tomorrow. And that's how I look at startups and how I look at the way people see their business. So what do you got to do that if you don't do this, you're going to fail? And if you live, and I know that's my line, you can own it, don't care about that part of it. But if you live by the fact that if I don't get this done by now, by midnight or by 1, it's not going to work. And I'm going to wake up in the morning and it's going to crash. So you're always driving yourself to be better every day. So what we did, our first Skip the Line event 18 months ago, is not anywhere even close to what it was last week. And it's not going to be anywhere close to what it will be in 6 months, because we're always trying to find value for the startups. And starting to find values for startups or our clients. In your case, it's clients. Our clients are you. Your clients are going to be businesses or people utilizing your brand and your products. But you always have to be finding value, because people want value. They want a good deal and they want value. So how do you keep giving them more than what they ask for without it costing you time, effort, or money? And that's what's going to build your community, which is going to build people to want your product or your service. And that's what's going to drive you forward. And it's your relentlessness to grow and to maneuver and mature in the market that's going to get you the legs to survive.